Hello again, YouTube. This is Derek at ScreamingEagleAirsoft.com, and today we're going to do a handgun review. We're going to review the WinGun Black 1911. It comes packaged as the BB Firearm 304 series. It's a CO2 gun and CO2, and it's made by WinGun right there. It says on the box, it says 6mm and 4.5mm are available. Interesting. Okay, so what you get in the box is the good old white styrofoam, a WinGun manual, the gun, and a small pack of BBs, maybe 20. The manual is in English. It is not. Okay, yes it is. It's in multiple languages, just different pages. Okay. It basically just tells you how to operate the gun, how to put it together, and all that stuff. Okay, let's pull the gun out and actually talk about the gun. Okay, there's some styrofoam stuck in the pistol grip. Let's overlook that, okay, because I can clean that off. Okay, it's got a nice weight to it. This is the gun right here, okay. Zoom that in a little bit. This is the gun right here, okay. It's a 1911. It does have a small little rail system right here for a laser or something like that. The trigger guard is flat to accommodate that. It has a silver ejection port. It looks kind of cool. The safety, ambidextrous safety right here does not move. The hammer does not move. Okay, this is not a blowback type gun. This is all in one piece. Now, for a safety, if you look right above the trigger, right here, all the way back is fire, and it exposes that red. Okay. Now, if I put it all the way forward, which is kind of backwards to me, but that's fine. All the way forward is safe, and it shows white. Okay, pull it back, you're on fire. Okay, same thing. You have, like all handguns, almost all handguns, right there. There's a button for the magazine. Okay, this magazine. Look at that magazine. It's just enough magazine to hold your BBs. You know, slide it down, it locks into place, fill your BBs, push the little button on the bottom to release the spring, and you're good. Okay, and that slides in the front of your magazine well right there. Okay, snaps into place. So you wonder, where does the CO2 cartridge go? Okay, so you wonder where the gas cartridge goes. This one is, this one's, woohoo! Let's take a look. I actually kind of like it, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. But let's take a look. Okay, you see the pistol grip. And you saw the magazine. So when I release the magazine, okay, just push the button. There it is. See how thin that is, right? Well, the gas cartridge does go into the hand grip, but it doesn't go on the bottom or anything like that. Let me show you. You pull the grip cover, the grip actually pulls back, revealing a chamber that you would put your CO2 cartridge in. Okay, awesome. And right there on the bottom, there is a tightening screw where you would tighten it up, or well, loosen it up to get the cartridge in, and then you would tighten it up so that the cartridge is pierced along the top there. And then once you get it nice and tight, stops hissing, psst, and it's done, you just put it back. So when you drop your magazine, you're just refilling BBs and you're going. Okay. The sights. The sights appear to be adjustable, but I would think not. It looks hard plastic as part of the rest of the body. Yeah, I'm not thinking it has like a fake screw on the top, and I don't think that's going to adjust anything. And then there's a hole, and deep inside that hole is a screw, but I think that's just holding the body of this gun together. Okay. If you look on the side, it says, warning, misuse may cause severe injuries. Sale of this product to minors not permitted. Then it has the patent, and then it has made in Taiwan. And then it's got the little WinGun logo right in there. I don't know if you could see that. Okay. But the thumb safety does not move. The hammer does not move. The grip safety does not move. You would put your cartridge right in there, and you would fire it up. Well, oh well, I didn't show you what the... my thumb's in the way. And that's your sight. You see a little white dot on the forward post. That's your sight picture. It's a nice little 1911. It's a little bit more modern than mine because it has the rail system right here. But the if you had additional magazines, you wouldn't have to have a CO2 cartridge in every magazine. You would just need the one CO2 cartridge in the gun, and then you could swap out magazines without having to, you know, burn up a whole bunch of CO2 cartridges. I think that's a good thing. On the side it says PowerWin 304. Well, this is the black WinGun, 1911, CO2. Thank you for coming out and checking out this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our website, ScreamingEagleAirsoft.com.